Hello guys, in this lecture we will study about the diode applications. So particularly in this lecture we will talk about the load line analysis of the diode, the circuit diagram and the characteristic of the diode which is connected in series with resistor R or load R is given below. Figure number A is the series diode configuration circuit diagram and figure B is the series diode characteristics. So here in the given circuit diagram, ID is the current which is flowing across the circuit. Now we will apply the KVL in the loop. So in step number 1, we will obtain E minus VD minus VR equals to 0, E equals to VD plus ID into R. So this is our equation number 1. In step number 2, suppose that if VD equals to 0, voltage drop across the diode equals to 0, then we will substitute this value in equation number 1. Then finally we will get ID equals to E upon R. In step number 3, suppose that the current which is flowing across the circuit is 0. If we substitute ID equals to 0 in equation number 1, then we will obtain an equation VD equals to E if ID is equals to 0. Now we will plot the load line analysis graph by using the coordinates E, 0 and 0, E upon R. So this is the load line analysis graph which is drawn by using these coordinates. So the point of intersection between the load line and the diode characteristic is known as the quiescent point which is equals to VDQ, IDQ. This is also known as the operating point and this slopey line is known as load line. So the value of this slope or the operating point depends on the E upon R and E. As these values are changed, this operating point and load line slope will also change. Now we can conclude about this lecture that the applied load will normally have an important impact on the point or region of operation of a device. If the analysis is performed in a graphical manner, a line can be drawn on the characteristic of the device that represents the applied load. The intersection of the load line with the characteristics will determine the point of operation of the system. Such an analysis is, for a base reason, is called as the load line analysis of the system. So here this load line analysis is called as the load line analysis of the diode. So guys, if you like this video, then you can hit the like button and you can subscribe to my channel by pressing the red button. And you can press the bell icon for more update. Thanks for watching.